Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, the other night I was scrolling through YouTube Shorts and I came across this wild video of a dog riding a scooter through traffic completely AI generated. No actors, no filming, no editing, just pure viral chaos. That's when I stumbled on something called Veo Profit Academy, and honestly, I think it's one of the most interesting content strategies I've seen in a while. Veo Profit Academy is a system that shows you how to create these AI animal chaos videos that are exploding across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts. I'm talking about clips like cats launching toasters or yetis doing backflips in grocery stores, all generated with AI, and all pulling in serious attention. What's crazy is that these videos are totally faceless. You don't need to speak, appear on camera, or even do any editing. The whole thing runs on smart prompt engineering and automation. What really caught my eye is their built-in chaos trigger prompt engine. It basically builds the storyline, characters, and script for you. You just click generate, and within minutes, you've got a full chaos scene ready to post. It's actually faster than making a cup of coffee. They also teach you exactly how to monetize the traffic, whether that's through affiliate links, product offers, or brand deals. The strategy works because it taps into emotional hooks, surprise, and just enough absurdity to keep people watching and sharing. And since the clips are short and entertaining, the algorithm eats them up. If you've been looking for a way to grow online without showing your face or spending hours editing videos, this might be the most fun option out there right now. Check it out and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.